Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We're going to pit two security cameras against each other to see which one comes out on top. In the left corner, we have the ieGeek security camera, and in the right corner, we have the Blink Mini Pan Tilt camera. Let the battle begin. Let's start with the most important factor for many of us, the price. The ieGeek security camera comes in at a reasonable $59, while the Blink Mini Pan Tilt camera is even more budget-friendly at just $39. Next up, installation. The ieGeek security camera boasts an easy 1-minute installation. Just connect it in 10 seconds and you're good to go. No need to run any cables. On the other hand, the Blink Mini Pan Tilt camera is also a breeze to set up. Just plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and follow the instructions in the app. Now, let's talk about video quality. The ieGeek security camera offers stunning 2K QHD video with 3 megapixels image quality. That's 1.5 times more detail than traditional 1080p cameras. It also has a wide-angle lens and 33 feet color night vision. Motion detection is crucial for security cameras. The ieGeek security camera comes equipped with AI and PIR motion detection. It quickly identifies people and sends instant alarm notifications. It even activates an alarm sound and spotlight to deter unwanted visitors. Let's move on to additional features. The ieGeek security camera offers free cloud storage and a 2-year warranty. You can choose to store your footage on an SD card or enjoy the free lifetime cloud storage service. Plus, they have a dedicated after-sales team ready to assist you. The ieGeek security camera is highly recommended for its affordability, good video quality, easy installation, and additional features like free cloud storage and a 2-year warranty. And that's a wrap. Both the ieGeek security camera and the Blink Mini Pan Tilt camera have their own unique features and advantages. It's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Remember, folks, always do your research before making a purchase. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and buying guides. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.